Hey everybody, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I hope you like what you see and you'll hit that subscribe button and then go ahead and hit that bell icon to be notified of all my upcoming videos. Let's get into today's video. Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I'm here with my last video for 2019, and what a better way to end the year than with the January Essential Oil Recipe Box from Simply Earth. Before I get into January's box that will be available to order right now, let me show you something else that I was very happy to receive from Simply Earth. I've been, like I said before, I've been doing essential oils for quite a while, but I never could find a really good place to store them. So Simply Earth has this great box. It's unfinished wood, has this great little latch on the front to keep everything inside. And when you open it up, you have 36 slots for your essential oils. And as I've showed you before, they have the little stickers to label them on the top, so you can very easily see what you have, keep them organized, move them from one place to another if you don't have a central place to keep them. So I highly recommend, if you're starting to collect essential oils, this is a great place to keep them all. And let me tell you, every time I open this box, it smells amazing. All right, so that is the first thing I wanted to show you. Now, remember, and all these details will be in the description box below, when you subscribe to this Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box, each month, it's $39.99, free shipping in the US. Each month you will receive a box like this. Each month's box has a different theme, will contain different items, but the same types of items. So also, when you order your first box, you receive the bonus box, which has a lot of the essential goodies that you will need, like some of the carrier oils, coconut oil, almond oil, the solid coconut oil for making things like body scrubs, body butters, things like that. You also may receive some containers for the recipes that you will be making. What else is in here? Oh yes, some roller bottles and some blend bottles that have just the regular dropper in them. So it is an awesome deal. I know a few of you have subscribed using my link. Thank you so much. I do receive a few dollars if you subscribe with my link or place any other order using my code. Now, when you use my code MONARCHMOMFREE, when you purchase your first subscription box, you will get a gift card for them for $40 off. So you can use that for your second recipe box. Okay, let's get into the January box. Every month, your recipe box includes 4 full-size essential oils. Some of them are single oils, some of them are blends. So usually it's 3 single oils and 1 blend that they've put together. So your single oils for January, see if I can get it for you. Lemon. I use lemon a lot. Clary sage. There we go. And Ho wood. I have to admit, I've never used this one before. I'm excited to see what it smells like. And then the blend for January is Relief. Now, it seems that the January box theme is kind of like, yeah, like relief, like stress relief. Like, let's take a deep breath. We've made it through the holiday season. Let's get ready to gear up for the new year. So in this Relief blend, it looks like it uses rosemary, juniper berry, eucalyptus, peppermint, and copaiba essential oils. So it says use Relief on sore muscles to relax after a long day. I have to see what this smells like. Sounds like it smells amazing. Definitely smell the peppermint and the eucalyptus. I think this would be a great oil to have on hand, especially for sore muscles, instead of using the greasy things like, I don't know, what's that stuff called? Aspercream or whatever. Anyway, okay, so these are your 4 full-size oils that you get in your box. The other things you get in the January recipe box are avocado oil. Okay, so in your bonus box, you've already received coconut oil in 2 forms and, shoot, what was the other one? I just told you and I forgot. Almond oil. Yes, so now we've also added a third, which is avocado oil. All right, this is a little, see if I can show you, you know, where it flips up. This is for one of the recipes that we're going to make for January, and another spray bottle. We had one last month. It was a Christmas room spray. It was really, really nice. Okay, so those things come in your January box. Now, 4 oils and some other things come in every recipe box. The other things that come in the recipe box are recipe cards. So the January recipes are Relief Roll-On. Okay, so that's using that Relief oil, and then we're just going to make it into a roll-on bottle, which looks like this, that you can carry around with you, that you can rub on areas that are sore. We're going to make that today. Meditation Diffuser Blend. All right, that will just go in a blend bottle like this that we can label and keep in our little box and have when we want to put that in our diffuser. So that's going to use the hoe wood and the lemon essential oils that came in our January box. We're going to make that today too. Some of the other recipes, let's see, Relax and Detox Foot Bath. This is using our coconut oil, our hoe wood, clary sage, and then some Epsom salt. So anything that has an asterisk next to it on the recipe cards are things that you'll have to get. They're very easy to find things, a jar or container. You could put this together as a gift for someone. That would be really awesome. Here's our spray for January. It's a refresh spray. Oh, this sounds like it's going to be really good. Distilled water and witch hazel. Last time, if you remember, I just used witch hazel. It's just to give the oils something to kind of mix around in. Lemon, hoe wood, and the Relief blend in the 2-ounce bottle that came in our January box. Circulation Boost Body Butter. Okay, this is one you would use your solid coconut oil, also some beeswax that came in our bonus box, and the avocado oil we got in the January box. You're going to use your clary sage, your hoe wood, and your lemon. And there's a little bit of melting going on with this one. I'm not going to make this one on camera, but I am going to make it. It sounds amazing. And then Relief Massage Oil. Okay, that's what this little 1-ounce container's for. It just says massage onto desired area for soothing pain relief. So for the relief, we're going to have 2 different forms. We're going to have the roller ball that you can carry around with you in your purse or your bag. And then this one is a little more messy, so you would maybe do this at home before you go to bed or whatever and put it on those areas. So let me clear off my space, and I'm going to show you how easily these recipes come together. We will make the Meditation Diffuser Blend, the Relief Roll-On, and the Relief Massage Oil today. Okay, I'm all set up now. Let me show you. First, let's make the Meditation Diffuser Blend. This is my third box, and it seems like every month there is a diffuser blend, which is really awesome, just to kind of keep things interesting and fresh. So the first thing we need is this 5 milliliter bottle. I've already labeled it with the labels that come in the box each month. So it has this little dropper stop in it, so we'll just pull that out so that we can add our oils. So now you could just, each time that you want to use this diffuser blend, you could just drop, let's see what it says, 2 drops of hoe wood and 3 drops of lemon in your blender, in your diffuser. But if you want to make it easy and just have it already mixed, that's what we're going to do. It says we're going to use 40 drops of hoe wood and 60 drops of lemon. So here's my hoe wood. I've put my label on the top so I don't mix my tops. And okay, hoe wood, we're going to do 40. I'll speed this part up for you. Okay, there's 40 drops of hoe wood, and now 60 drops. Ooh, I love lemon. It smells so fresh. Here we go. And 60. So these 5 milliliter bottles hold about 100 drops. So that was our 40 and our 60. Just kind of mix it around a little. Put our meditation lid on here. The last thing I'm going to do after I wipe the sides off, in case I got any on the sides, is we're going to label it. So we have already the label on the top, and then this is a nice little label to wrap around the bottle to remind us what's in it, how we made our meditation blend. It says it's made with hoe wood and lemon essential oils, diffuse in an open room to help deepen meditation. So that is our first little recipe, and I'm going to set that right in my box. Okay, our second one we're going to make today is the Relief Roll-On. We're going to use one of our roll-on bottles, which looks like this, and it has this little roller ball thing in the top. So we're just going to, same like we did before, pull this out. If you have fingernails, it's pretty easy to get out, or you can use maybe a butter knife, but it comes out pretty good. Okay, so to make this Relief Roll-On, we're going to do 8 drops of our Relief Essential Oil blend. Remember, this came in our box. 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to use our coconut oil and just pretty much fill, not all the way to the top because we want room for the roller ball stopper. I usually stop where the bottle starts to curve up. So put that in there, put our stopper back in, shake it around. This is so our oil can mix with the carrier oil, and all that means is that it helps the essential oils absorb into your skin so you get the benefits of the oil. All right, now for roller balls, they don't make a label for the top, but there is one for the side. I always forget. Yeah, it goes this way. Still goes sideways. All right, so you always want to know what you've made so you use it for the right purposes. Okay, super easy. And now I can just throw this in my bag. And I even use this when I start to have a headache. You can put it kind of on your temples and stuff. This is a great blend to have around. All right, that was easy. Relief Roll-On. Our third one we're going to make today real quick is our massage oil. So for this one, we're using the avocado oil that came in our January box and our Relief Essential Oil again, and this little 1 ounce container that came for this purpose. All right, so all we're going to do is we're going to take 20 drops of Relief. Okay, and then just like we did with the coconut oil, I gotta see if I have this open. I probably don't. We're going to fill the rest with the avocado oil. We might be using this for the massage oil just because it's different, or maybe it absorbs a little better into the skin for massage purposes. All right, so there it is. Relief Essential Oil, avocado oil, and then we have our little label again that comes in the box. All right, guys, as I'm getting this on here, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about essential oils. I am not an expert. I'm just someone that has used them for a while. I really prefer to use these rather than chemicals or man-made medicine, if at all possible. I think this is a great deal. Again, you can pause or stop your subscription at any time without penalty. Like I said, use MONARCHMOMFREE when you subscribe, and you'll get basically your second box free. So yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you in 2020. Bye-bye. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Also, hit that like button and leave me a comment below if you have any questions about essential oils or what is coming in 2020. See you soon. Bye.